And we are back with more Factorio. Here we go, I am Pax. We are continuing here with the playthrough of Pyanadon Alternative Energy. And yes, last time we just got the start of our logistics hub up and running and started trying to automate the small parts as well as the air core inductors here. And so we want to then begin our next little goal of, gosh, what am I doing? Trying to whitelist this inserter is what I'm trying to do. Building out our mall. And the idea of the mall is to bring back the sushi belts. Yes, sushi belts are back. Hey, hey. And, well, how can we do sushi belts? Well, in Pyanadon, of course, we don't have circuits or anything like that. So the way we did it in the space exploration playthrough is not viable. But here what we can do is actually use these inserters, and I learned a sushi belt technique from Reddit over there. And the way it works is to basically what how did it okay, alright, I see. Well, okay, to basically what you do is basically just pull off on from the sushi belt. So here we'll say have the small parts, and then you also just put onto the sushi belt. And by doing this, we can maintain essentially a fixed amount of items on the belt. And well, for small parts in particular, we want 2 inserters of throughput. So something like that is what we're after. And then I like having actually a third one to just make sure that we never overdo the amount of items being on the sushi belt. So that is the idea. Oops, I need to, well, before we really do this, I need to actually finish making the belt loop here. Okay, so we need more belts. Yes. How many can we make? Okay, that's pretty good. Make more belts, please. Give me more small parts. And the same kind of thing is going to happen with the air core inductors. So we will build another contraption here to essentially take off and put on items from the sushi belt. All right, there we go. Okay, do we have any more undergrounds? Yes, let's make a little jump right here. Yes. And then we want to complete the circle, but I also want to have a few more items over here. More belts, please. More. Give me this stuff. Alright, so then we'll have like inserters. 1, 2 normal belts, underground belts. And that will be the start and limits of our mall here. Okay, then the sushi belt will come around like so. And the bots will build for me, I think. Maybe. No, I have all the belts in my hand, so they can't take it. I have it. Come here. Okay. A little bit more belts. That will get us there. Cool. Okay. Give me the small parts. And looks like copper's doing good. Lacking iron, of course. Yep. That's not too surprising. Nice. Alright, there we go. So, can we start to build... Yeah, let's start to build then the belt. We need to build more inserters in as well. Okay. Give me the small parts, please. We're almost there. Let's move this a bit closer. Alright, so this will be the mechanical inserters. This will be belts. And then we'll do more in a sec. And then, yes, the idea is we pull off small parts, whitelist. Small parts, whoops. Small parts, can we build more inserters? And more. So I usually, like having an extra one pulling off, and then I have 2 putting on. So this will give us 2 inserters worth of throughput of small parts, assuming we have it. And the trick is really the priority system of the belts here. So essentially the belt coming in from the production is being side loaded, while the inserters that are pulling off from the sushi belt are placed on this horizontal belt. And so these will have priority over the production. So if the belt becomes saturated, then these will pull off and it'll get added to the little queue here and block the production. And so then the production will stall and back up as we would desire. And again, and that way, like, yeah, we can maintain the items on the sushi belt without actually needing any circuits or anything. So that is the power of the sushi belt here. And let's see where we at. Can we build more inserters? I think is necessary, and have a bit more belts. That's good. Let's bring the shared belt down and start working on these things here. So again, we will need iron and such pulled off, and I think we'll just do a little doodah of, can you be cyan and move? A doodah here. So we always need to whitelist as well these inserters, so that way they don't accidentally put the ash into the boxes that like that. So okay, we need more inserters. All right, things are kind of going, kind of, maybe a little bit. Okay, whitelist belts, yes. This will be the undergrounds once we can build stuff. Okay, one more. Small pots. And then what we'll do with the sushi belt is pull off, and we can also get rid of the ash here. So we'll just be able to use the sushi belt to also deal with fueling the buildings, as well as with removing the ash. Cool, okay. It would be nice to maybe also then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, build more miners, I guess. But we need a lot more belts and inserters to actually make the miners, so no worries. We could, you know, slow this down, but I want that too. And this one, I want it to be here. Okay, this will be the undergrounds. And we'll do one more little box contraption over there as soon as we can make more inserters. All right, but then now you can see the mechanism kind of working a little bit. So just to limit the throughput or limit the amount of items on the bus, the inserters pull off and then they put back on. So that keeps it maximized to, in this case, 2 inserters of throughput. In this case, only 1 with the air core inductors. And then, yeah, again, the priorities of the belts allow you to back the production up. Cool. Okay, getting there. All right, finally we can maybe see some of this going. We need more, yeah, we need more iron, of course, but we can get this kind of maybe started a little bit. Go for this. And just work our way towards getting some things really fully automated. Okay, and this was going to deal with the ash, so we want to output the ash there like that. Yep. And hopefully we do see some things getting through eventually, but still waiting on everything. All the production. Go. Okay, we can come over here and grab some more stone bricks, lay them out. Cool. Get our base all nice and paved. Looking good. Okay. And let's see if we can't salvage some more. We don't really need more copper, so let's let that go through. More inserters, more belts, I think is necessary here. Lots of inserters are needed still to get this online. Lots and lots of inserters, yes. Alright, what are you doing? Are you building anything? So I have, yeah, some number of small parts here, but it's not enough. Never enough. Alright, cool. Go. Yeah, so this is the start to our little sushi belt mall. And what we'll try to do next is work our way towards getting automation science fully automated. Well, not fully. We still are a long way from it being fully automated, but we can automate most of it, essentially. Dun, dun. All right, maybe we can just get this going a little bit. More coal is necessary. Oops, not that much coal. Oh my gosh. All right, cool. Cool. Go, get started, please. All right, we need a couple more belts, more inserters. And as much as, yeah, we have things automated, not quite. Just like stealing everything still and doing most of the crafting by hand, but that's not too bad. All right. And more inserters. Gosh, they take up so much. More belts. More inserters, more belts. Just a little bit at a time, Okay, we need maybe more, one more. Yep. Okay. One more of those. I think we have all the belts now. We just need more boxes and more inserters. We need more iron, of course. We're trying to build iron. See if we can't keep this going a bit, get it more iron faster. Any iron in here? Okay, more inserters, please. All right, going. Okay, you can see that now that we have some small parts, the inserter automation goes a lot faster, the handcrafting. So that's kind of cool, Yeah, maybe, kind of. Playing video games is so cool. We're so cool. Right, 1, 2, 3 boxes, thank you. And more inserters. Do we have any? No. No. Iron plate. Yeah, just trying to get more iron up and running so we can actually have the base be automated. And we'll just keep hand feeding this some fuel until it's ready. But you can see how much how expensive the infrastructure is and how little, supplies we really have. I think each one of these does like 0.1 plate per, 6 per minute. Who does it per minute? 0.1, so we have 23. So now we're like talking about 2.3 iron plates per second here. And it's tough going. But yeah, cool, nice. All right, so now we have another iron column going, and I think, no, we still need more inserters. Still missing the ones up here. And we got a trickle of small parts coming, and, well, not even really enough throughput to have the iron even reach the air core inductors yet, so that's okay. It's okay. We're getting there for sure. More inserters. We need a lot of them. Okay, good. Nice. We have now our one more column of iron going. And honestly, it'd be nice to even build more. But I think this will be then a good time to take a break. We are starting to see our logistics hub take shape and our Sushi Belt Mall. And so soon enough, we'll continue pushing towards automation science and continuing on with Pyanadon. But until then, there you go, Factorio. I am Pax, and I will see you in the next video.